Would you rather? You guys have problems. All right. Ah! Would you rather jump in this hole or jump in this hole? Watch what? Only one option. Ow! Then what's the point of the option? Why even give me an option? Would you rather kiss Skylar or kiss Musina? Do you guys think this is funny? Ha ha ha! I like this one. No! You really think this is funny, bro? Would you rather eat a brick or not eat a brick? Do you guys know what would you rather is? Would you rather eat spider eye or rotten flesh? I would not eat any of them. All right, we'll see you guys Welcome to the day of Daycare! Yo, what's going on, man? I have no idea where my boy Cyclone and Cyclone's girlfriend and also Musina are at. Yo, if you guys remember yesterday, Jeff said that he shipped them over to Alaska. So congratulations, Alaska, on your new members or something. I don't know, man. So we're not really sure, but where's Skylar at? Hello, Skylar! Jeff! What are you guys doing in the daycare today? Eh? Jeff? Jeff, what are you doing, buddy? I see you. It's time! Time for what? Winner, chicken dinner. PUBG? Yo, pub. Let's go, bro. Pub, bro. Pub. FORTNITE. Wait, what? What do you mean FORTNITE? What are you guys talking about, dudes? Yo, by the way, thank you so much for the support, guys. I really do appreciate everyone subscribing in the Daycare series and stuff, dudes. Yo, once we get to 500,000 subs, dudes, it's gonna be crazy, man. We're gonna release some cool things, dudes. All right, we're gonna release some Daycare merch. Hey, you'll leave a like if you want to see some Daycare merch, dude, and subscribe inside the bell, dude. So, Jeff, what do we do today, buddy? What are we messing with, man? Hey, FORTNITE. So you're saying we're messing with FORTNITE, but you said winner, chicken dinner. That's from PUBG. That's from Jeff, no, it's not from FORTNITE. I play PUBG sometimes, and I don't play FORTNITE. Winner, chicken dinner. Okay, anyways, Jeff, so what are we doing, buddy? Winner, cow dinner. Oh, snap. Wait, hold on. Where's Musina? And where's, I know that you guys shipped over Musina, but aren't they back? Alaska. What about Skylar? Where's Skylar at? Where'd she go? Huh. It's kind of strange. I feel like she's gonna come out of nowhere and just sneak up on me. So I don't know, man. I don't like that, dude. She's a little bit scary, man. Low-key intimidating. So where'd she go? Hey? Hey guys, Jeff here. No answer. This guy. Where are they? She kind of sketch. So then where did she go? Isn't she supposed to like call into school and be like, hey, I can't come to school today? She did. What do you mean she dead? Not really. Oh, this guy. So then where did she go? Skylar! I got some moose milk. Huh. Has music tour. Oh, because she's famous. I forgot about that. Okay, all right. Awesome. So, okay, so then what do we do today, buddy? You said FORTNITE, but how does that work? Is it big fish? I want some big fish. I want some brick booze. I want this food over here and some Rubik's Cube and a pig, also some moose milk and a police box. Because I cannot stop eating food because my name is a brick booze. Nice. Check it. What do we got? Oh, yo, what is this? Oh, is this for me? Thank you very much, Jeff. Thank you very much, man. So, you said we're playing FORTNITE in Minecraft. That's actually pretty cool, dude. Okay, all right, buddy. I got you, man. I got you. Here, let me get all these crazy paintball weapons over here. There we go. All right, so we're going to need some blocks for some building, some regeneration potions. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Awesome. And get some oak wood planks. Also, some smoke grenades and stuff. And just like that. And by the way, I have a special guest today with me. It's my little puppy, Lucy. She's watching me play, dude. She's watching me play. Alright, she wants to join Daycare, but she can't join Daycare. I won't let her, man. She's like, yo, Moose, let me join Daycare. I'm like, nah. Alright, dude, we are good to go, buddy. So, let's get all these reloaded real quick. Lego. Awesome. Alright, buddy, so how do we play this exactly, man? What do we do? What are you supposed to do, Jeff? What's this? Ooh. Huh? What do we got outside? Do we got outside or something? Oh, wait. Yellow for me. I'm yellow. We gotta go to the towers. Oh, that's pretty cool. So we all have our own spawn points, right? Okay. And then what's the objective? How are we playing? Is it, first one to lose or... How are we doing this, Jeff? You must tell me the details, my friend. First one at 2 kills. That's going to be too easy, Jeff. You're not the best at this kind of games, man. Jeff, I don't have any bullets in the M4A1 and the M8A7, dude. Where are the bullets at, man? They're empty, dog. I don't want it. Empty. Get out of here. Empty, dude. Say with this thing. It's a ripoff. Meh. Meh. Yeah. And this. And this as well. Jeff, are you trying to... This guy. You're trying to rip me off, aren't you? This dude. Look at this guy. You can't rip me off like that, Jeff. Come on. I ain't gonna fall for it, dude. Jeff, hook me up with some new materials. I need a 32-second, okay? And these are the ammo that I need over here, right here. Pick them up. Pick them up. All right. That's what I need, buddy. All right. So then let's test this out real quick. There we go. And my inventory is full. Well, that sucks. But, oh, it works. How about this? Oh, it works. Hey. Yo, what? It's so cool. Ooh. This is empty. This is also empty. Jeff. I need your memo. Jeff. Give me. M4A1 and M8A7, dudes. Yo, I'm gonna snipe this thing right here. Ready? Hey, yeah. Oh, wait, hold up. Wait for it. Whoop. Big fist. Got him. Yo, this thing is so cool, though. Check me out. Hey, guys. Moose here. What's up, bro? We're gonna play some Fortnite. Yeah. Oh, we gotta build, though. This is Fortnite. You gotta always be able to build, dude. Here we go. Whoop. I'm gonna build a crib. I'm gonna build a house. I'm gonna build anything I want. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. I got a new house. I'm gonna call it the Moose House. All right. Yeah, there we go. Pretty cool, man. Okay, so we got it all working, man. Just a quick little test. Perfect. All right, Jeff, so you get to your spawn point. I'm gonna get to my spawn point, and let's have some fun, Jeff. All right, buddy, old pal? So I spawn here. Jeff spawns there. Now, it looks like some of these buildings are actually connected together, so we can have some fun. Jeff, I'm on the way, buddy. Okay, so we spawn over here. Now, I could also take a different route and go through this building right over here, and we can also build this stuff. So I'm just gonna build a massive staircase right here. Boom, got it. Hoop, 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 hoop. All right, just watch out for Jeff. We gotta go stepping if needed, man. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, where'd he go? Oh! Snap! Is he in creative mode? Got him. Oh, he's got a sniper rifle. He's got a sniper rifle. Here we go. Oh! No, you don't. 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 Whew. Gotta heal, gotta heal, gotta heal. Oh, okay, here we go. Build a wall. Got him. Oh! Big fist! Yes! Yes, got him. Get out of here, Jeff. Where do you think you're going, buddy? Oh, no. I'm an expert. Ow! What? Dang it. I'm an expert Fortnite player, bro. That's not how it works, man. All right. You know what? We don't need this Glock anymore, dude. It's useless, man. We got to mess around with weapons that are going to help us out. Yo, let's make the FOV a little bit more zoomed out. Oh, snap. Jeff ain't got nothing on me. I'm going to show him who's boss. Oh. Is he going in creative mode? This dude cheating. This dude really... Food. Okay, whatever, Mr. Cheetah. Here you go. Where is he right now? Jeff! Where are you? Oh, what's that? Ow! Jeff! What the heck, man? That's cheating. You don't have that many rockets. I only have one rocket. No cheating. Jeff, you're cheating. This dude. Oh. Where is he? This guy. Overpowered, man. Absolutely overpowered. Where'd he go? Jeff! Where are you, buddy? Where are you? Hello, Jeff. Stop hiding. This dude playing way too serious. I hear his footsteps. Yo, Fortnite is so difficult to play, man. I gotta say, if you guys ever played Fortnite, let me know down below in the comment section. And leave a like for some more crazy Daycare videos, man. We always do some crazy stuff, but every time I play Fortnite, I get absolutely wrecked. Where are you? No, Jeff, the question is, where are you at, buddy? Oh, what? What? I'm telling you, man. With these kind of games, it's like they can always come behind you. Jeff. Come here. Jeff. Come on, buddy. Come on, Jeff. Got him. That's how it's done. Yo, ain't got nothing on me, dude. Jeff ain't got nothing on me. Ooh, snap. Your boy Moose going in, dog. Yo, Jeff can't stop my crazy snipe. Ow! Where'd you get me from? Did you not respawn in your place? Oh, this dude didn't change his spawn point. Yeah, that's cheating, Jeff. No, you can't do that. It's cheating. Dang this guy, bro. Jeff is always trying to cheat to win, man. This dude. But where'd he go now? Where'd he go now? Ooh, where'd he go now? Jeff, peek out a little bit, buddy. What? Dang it. Too overpowered. Way too overpowered, bro. What in the world? Dude, this guy's OP. What? Get out of here. Jeff, you can't use that rocket. You already used to. What? Flip. Dang it. I hate Fortnite so much, man. I'm so bad at it. Come on, Jeff. Come over here, buddy. How? I legit scoped him. Is there bullet drop in Minecraft now? This dude. Jeff, peek it. Are you flipping cereal? It's exactly like Fortnite. You can never land a shot. Oh my glob, dude. Oh my glob. I'm done with this, man. I am so done with this. Ha! Got him. In dub. Hold on, what? Yo, give me a second. Give me a second. What's this dude doing? Give me a second. What's this dude at? How'd you get me? Huh? How'd you get me, buddy? Got him. Where'd you get me from? Cheating over here? This dude really cheating, isn't he? Hey! Say your spawn point. Stop cheating, Jeff. Say your spawn point, bro. Don't be cheating. Ooh. Hey, he's in game mode 0. I'm in game mode C. Bro, this guy, he trying to push buttons, man. He's one of those cheaters in Fortnite. I see him right there. Look at him. I see him. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Dang it. Here we go. Aim. And wait for it. Jeff. Peek it. Dang it. Almost had him. Come here, buddy. Peek out. Whoa. Yo, he ain't ready. He ain't ready for my skills. He is not ready for this. Got him. Quick scope. Oh, well, not really a quick scope, but you get the point. You can't use rockets. No, I can, because I still have one more left, and that's my last one, so I'm kind of out now. Big Hefe. Big Hefe. Yo, there's no way you can land that. There's not a chance, Jeff. You have 0 chance you can land that shot on me. Oh! Oh my God, look at that. Look at those skills. Jeff, try me. Try me, buddy. Yo, I'm getting a little bit better than this at this, dude. Come on, Jeff. Try me one more time. Let's do this, bro. Ooh, Jeff is scared. Jeff is scared. Ooh. Jeff. Where'd you go, buddy? What? This dude over here. Ooh. 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 Kill him. Ooh, kill him. Ooh, kill him. Ooh, kill him. Jeff. Ooh. No, you don't. No, you don't. What? No! Dang it! Oh, man, this game frustrates me. Oh, bro. It brings back the Fortnite memories of me getting ranked in Fortnite. Ah, man. Jeff, come here. Jeff, come here. Jeff, get over here. Get over here, buddy. Easy lemon squeezy. Don't pull a 0-6 on me, dog. Come on. Don't pull one of those, dog. Where are you? Come here, buddy. Oh, snap. I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. Oh, no. Oh, no. Jeff, I'm out of ammo. Jeff. Buddy. Let's sell this like real men, dude. Let's have a race. Come on. Let's have an actual race. Oh, my. You can't use rockets. I told you can't use rockets, man. I told you. You keep... No, Jeff, I had 3 rockets solid. You gave it to me, you nub. You keep spotting them in a creative mode. You can't do that. Jeff, no. I counted 5. I counted 5. No, I don't. Jeff, you're abusing your creative powers, okay? You're abusing your creative powers. Hashtag Jeff is a cheater. This dude. Jeffy. Big Hefe. Where are you? Big Hefe. Oh, no. Big Hefe. Big Hefe. Big Hefe. Are you really trying? Come on, Big Hefe. Too much recoil. Way too much recoil. Come on, Big Hefe. Oh, no. Chill. Oh. That's all Fortnite's about. You gotta build. You gotta make sure you build. Have yourself like a barrier protection area so no one can actually hit you, and then get those small little shots in. But then if someone hits you in the headshot, you're kind of gone there. All right. Okay, well, I must say, Jeff, you're playing pretty good. You know what I mean? You're playing pretty good. Playing really good, actually. Jeff. Come on, buddy. Peek it. Do it. Try me. Come on, try me, bro. Let's go. I'm going in, dude. Ooh. Oh my God. Dude, that was savage. That was absolutely savage, bro. We just took each other down, man. Dang it, dude. That was crazy, buddy. I've been going easy on you, by the way, just so you know, Jeff. I've been going really, really easy on you, man. Well, trust me, man. I have been trying it all. I have not been trying at all, Jeff. Not at all. All right, buddy. Yo. No way. Where'd you go? Come here. Try me! You cheater! You are a nice teleport! There's no way I couldn't see you, man. Yes! Got him. Ah! Oh. Where are you? Keep killing me, bro. The viewers already know I won. Jeff, you didn't win nothing at all, dude. Yes! Got him. Now we playing smart. All right, guys. You know what? I say we call it here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you did enjoy. We'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. You realize I ain't going anymore. Whatever, Jeff. Whatever, man. You ain't going anymore because you got nothing left in you, dude. Oh, snap. Oh, chill. How? Where? He's just shooting on purpose now. Where is he? Where'd he go? Where's the little rascal at? I see him! Catch! Ow! What? Whoa! This guy. Alright, I'll see y'all tomorrow with a better video. Don't forget to subscribe. Slap the bell. And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Come back tomorrow for another video. Bye!